Are you tired of sacrificing your health for the sake of convenience on busy days? Well, you're not alone. Join us today as we unravel the secrets to creating delicious, nutritious lunches that are quick and easy to prepare, perfect for those hectic schedules. Hey there, welcome back to Living the Life. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. Let's talk about something we can all relate to, the daily struggle of balancing our busy lives with maintaining a healthy diet. It's no secret that in the hustle and bustle of modern life, finding the time to whip up a nutritious lunch can feel like an impossible task. But fear not, because in today's video, we're diving headfirst into this challenge. We'll be sharing some ingenious tips and mouth-watering recipes to help you conquer those midday cravings without compromising on nutrition. After all, our bodies deserve nothing but the best, especially when our schedules are at their craziest. So, stick around as we uncover the keys to crafting healthy lunch options that are not only delicious, but also quick and convenient. Let's get started. 1. Quick and easy salad jars. Now, first up on our menu of healthy lunch ideas for busy days, quick and easy salad jars. Now, you might be thinking, salad for lunch? That sounds boring. But hold on, because we're about to revolutionize your perception of salads. Picture this, a portable, perfectly layered jar filled with vibrant colors and a tantalizing array of flavors. That's right. Salad jars are not only convenient, but also a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. So, how do you assemble these culinary marvels? It's simple. Start with a clean, dry mason jar and layer your ingredients strategically. Begin with the dressing at the bottom to prevent sogginess, followed by hearty vegetables like cucumbers or cherry tomatoes. Then, add your protein of choice, such as grilled chicken or chickpeas, followed by grains like quinoa or brown rice. Finally, top it all off with leafy greens and any additional toppings or herbs. The beauty of salad jars lies in their versatility. You can mix and match ingredients to suit your taste preferences or dietary needs. Whether you're a fan of Mediterranean flavors or crave something with an Asian twist, the possibilities are endless. But perhaps the best part of salad jars is their convenience factor. By prepping these beauties ahead of time, you'll have grab-and-go lunches ready to fuel you through even the busiest of days. No more settling for unhealthy fast food or skipping meals altogether. With salad jars, you'll have a nutritious meal at your fingertips whenever hunger strikes. So, whether you're heading to the office, school, or simply running errands, don't forget to pack your trusty salad jar. It's the ultimate solution for busy days when you need a healthy meal on the fly. Stay tuned as we dive into more mouth-watering lunch ideas to keep you nourished and energized. Up next, we'll explore the world of protein-packed wraps. You won't want to miss it. 2. Protein-packed wraps. Now that we've explored the wonders of salad jars, let's roll right into our next savory sensation, protein-packed wraps. These little bundles of goodness are not only delicious, but also incredibly efficient for busy days when time is of the essence. Imagine sinking your teeth into a soft, whole-grain tortilla filled with an enticing medley of flavors and textures. With protein-packed wraps, the possibilities are endless, and the satisfaction is guaranteed. To start, you'll need your choice of whole-grain tortillas or even crisp lettuce leaves for a lighter option. Then, it's time to get creative with your fillings. Whether you're a carnivore, vegetarian, or somewhere in between, there's a protein-packed wrap recipe to suit every palate. For the meat lovers out there, grilled chicken or turkey slices make excellent options, providing a hearty dose of protein to keep you fueled throughout the day. Alternatively, tofu or tempeh can be grilled or sautéed to perfection for a satisfying vegetarian twist. But let's not forget about the power of plant-based proteins. Creamy hummus, sliced avocado, and an assortment of crisp veggies can turn an ordinary wrap into a culinary masterpiece bursting with flavor and nutrients. The beauty of protein-packed wraps lies in their versatility. Whether you're craving something spicy, tangy, or savory, you can customize your fillings to create a wrap that's perfectly tailored to your taste buds. And the best part? Protein-packed wraps are incredibly portable, making them ideal for on-the-go lunches during those hectic days. Simply wrap them up tightly, toss them in your bag, and you're ready to tackle whatever the day throws your way. So, whether you're rushing to a meeting, squeezing in a workout, or simply enjoying some time outdoors, don't forget to pack a protein-packed wrap to keep you fueled and satisfied. Stay tuned as we uncover more delicious and nutritious lunch ideas for busy days. Up next, we'll be diving into the world of one-pot meals. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. 3 one-pot meals. From the convenience of wraps, let's simmer down into another culinary gem perfect for busy days: one-pot meals. If you're looking to minimize cleanup while maximizing flavor, you're in for a treat with these time-saving lunch solutions. One-pot meals are exactly what they sound like: dishes that can be cooked entirely in a single pot or pan, saving you precious time and effort in the kitchen. Plus, with fewer dishes to wash, you'll have more time to savor your meal and tackle your to-do list. So, what kind of recipes are we talking about? Think hearty quinoa and vegetable stir-fries bursting with vibrant colors and bold flavors. Or perhaps a comforting bowl of lentil soup packed with protein and fiber to keep you full and satisfied. If pasta is more your style, why not whip up a batch of pasta primavera, loaded with seasonal vegetables and tossed in a light, flavorful sauce? The possibilities are endless when it comes to one-pot meals, and the best part is that you can customize them to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. But perhaps the greatest benefit of one-pot meals is their ability to be batch-cooked and meal prepped for multiple servings. Spend just a little extra time in the kitchen on a lazy Sunday afternoon, and you'll have nutritious lunches ready to go for the entire week ahead. So, whether you're a busy parent juggling work and family responsibilities or a student cramming for exams, one-pot meals are a game-changer when it comes to quick and easy lunches. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the realm of healthy lunch ideas for busy days. Up next, we'll be exploring the world of healthy snack boxes. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. 4. Healthy snack boxes. Moving on from the savory goodness of one-pot meals, let's explore a lighter option perfect for those in-between moments: healthy snack boxes. These bite-sized delights are not only a refreshing alternative to traditional lunches, but also a convenient way to keep hunger at bay throughout the day. Imagine opening up a colorful box filled with an enticing assortment of nutritious goodies, each bite bursting with flavor and vitality. With healthy snack boxes, you can indulge your cravings guilt-free while nourishing your body with a balanced mix of nutrients. To create the ultimate snack box, aim for a variety of food groups to ensure a well-rounded meal. Think sweet and juicy fruits like berries or sliced apples, paired with protein-packed nuts or seeds for a satisfying crunch. Add a dollop of creamy yogurt for a dose of probiotics and calcium, and round it all out with whole grain crackers and a selection of cheese for a savory finish. But remember, portion control is key when it comes to snack boxes. Aim for smaller, snack-sized portions to prevent overindulging and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. And don't forget to include a mix of macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. Whether you're snacking at your desk, on the go, or simply lounging at home, healthy snack boxes are a convenient and delicious way to fuel your body and keep your hunger in check. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of healthy lunch ideas for busy days. Up next, we'll be sharing some time-saving tips and tricks to streamline your meal prep routine. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. 5. Time-saving tips and tricks. Now that we've explored a variety of delicious and nutritious lunch ideas for busy days, let's dive into some time-saving tips and tricks to make meal prep a breeze. First up, meal planning is your best friend when it comes to streamlining lunch prep. Take some time at the beginning of the week to plan out your meals, jotting down a list of ingredients you'll need. This not only saves you from the stress of figuring out what to eat each day, but also ensures you have everything on hand when it's time to cook. Speaking of ingredients, creating a grocery shopping list can save you both time and money. Stick to your list to avoid wandering through the aisles, and consider shopping online for added convenience. When it comes to meal prep, don't underestimate the power of leftovers. Cook up larger batches of your favorite dishes and portion them out for easy grab-and-go lunches throughout the week. Investing in quality storage containers can help keep your meals fresh and organized. And let's not forget about the tools and gadgets that can make meal prep a breeze. From a trusty slow cooker to a handy food processor, having the right equipment can cut down on prep time and make cooking more enjoyable. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended gadgets that can make meal prep very, very easy. Lastly, remember to find a routine that works for you and prioritize your health amidst a busy schedule. Whether it's carving out time on Sunday afternoons for meal prep or setting aside a few minutes each evening to pack your lunch for the next day, consistency is key. By implementing these time-saving tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to enjoying delicious and nutritious lunches without the stress. Remember, taking care of your body is a priority, even on the busiest of days. I hope you found these lunch ideas and tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. As always, feel free to share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.